Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me in yet another webinar regarding data quality app. Today's topic is importance of data quality in marketing. If you missed previous webinars, we talked about data quality in general, duplicate detection, data quality rules, phonetic fields, etc. You can find it all available on our YouTube channel and also on our LinkedIn page. So follow up. And in the future, we will do more of these webinars, so stay tuned for that as well. So as I mentioned, today's topic is importance of data quality marketing. This is just a quick look on the agenda, what I'm going to be talking today. So we have a quick introduction, the importance of data quality in marketing, how to improve marketing with data quality app, duplicate management strategies, key data quality rules, Q&A session if anyone has any questions, and of course call to action. I will end the presentation there. So if I move, first let me introduce myself. My name is Yasmin, and I'm currently working as Dynamics 365 consultant here at Tectia. And we are a Danish-based company. We are Microsoft certified partner, and we have more than 14 years of experience working with CRM. So basically, through those years, our mission is to utilize our expertise in providing sustainable plug-and-play solutions and add-ons for our customers, and at the same time maximize their growth and their business. Basically, through those years of experience, we have developed a solution called Data Quality App. Data Quality App is Microsoft's preferred solution on the App Source and Azure Marketplace. And basically, it offers some features like advanced duplicate detection, data quality rules, phonetic fields detection, and everything happens in real time and everything happens inside your CRM. So there is no external access to your data. So security is a big priority here. And also it's being used by various different type of industries on the market. So here we will be talking about the importance of data quality in marketing. So we all know how important marketing is for sales and for every aspect of your company. So accurate and reliable data is the backbone of successful marketing campaigns. So basically what I want to say here is having high quality data can give businesses a competitive edge by reducing risk, increasing efficiency and productivity, and improving decision making, campaigns, audience targeting, customer service. And basically the question is, can data quality help sales and marketing efforts? Of course, and a successful sales and marketing strategy relies heavily on data quality. And by using data quality, quality data, marketing automation is enable customers to get relevant and timely information, increasing revenue and reducing costs, of course. The cost of poor data. So basically, bad data quality can have significant business consequences. According to Gartner, there was a study. Every year, poor data quality costs organizations an average of $12.9 million. Or also there is an information that cost of poor data is up to 25% of revenue for most companies. So basically, poor data can lead to bad decision making, inaccurate analytics, and misguided opportunities. So what is considered good quality data? Data is generally considered high quality if it is fit for its intended uses in operations, decision making, and planning. Data is deemed of high quality if it correctly represents the real world construct to which it basically refers. Identifying and measuring data quality. How do you do that? By many studies, there is data is measured by following. So we have accuracy. Basically, your data has to be correct. So you don't want your sales team to lose time on wrong phone numbers, on wrong emails. So you're losing time. There's costs that are connected with that. So accuracy has to be on point. Next, we have completeness. Basically, completeness describes how well the data delivers all the required values to be effective for a particular use case. For example, if the data is to be used for sales outreach, is there everything populated as it should be? So full name, email address, phone number, etc. Then we have consistency. So basically, this means that your data should be populated the same way across the whole team. So for example, if you have some business units across the globe, you want them to have the same format for populating, for example, the date, because it's really important. If you mix the dates, the formats, then in some integrations, there can be an error. So that's one of the things that is really important. Then we have uniqueness. Basically, this means there shouldn't be duplicates in the system. Timeliness, basically data should be updated constantly in real time, so you don't you don't lose time on wrong data. Next, we move to what are the types of bad data. So we have incomplete and missing data. So you have incomplete missing data when customer attributes are unknown or left out, so fields are not populated. We have a stale data. Basically, if your data is not populated regularly, so then you have a stale data. Actually, if it's not updated, sorry. Then we have incorrect data. Basically, if you have a wrong data inside the system. And duplicate data, of course, no one doesn't like that. So, but we have to tackle those as well. So basically, now we have two questions: how to improve data quality, and data quality is whose responsibility. So basically, how to improve data quality, our answer would be to find a tool that will help prevent all these negative things to happen. So you have to educate your team. You need to set up duplicate detection rules. You need to set up data quality rules, even phonetic fields for if there's any misspelling in your system, and your data should be good to go. Now, who is that responsibility? Basically, everyone who cares for the company, for the data, that's their responsibility, basically. So the whole company should take care of the good data quality. How to improve marketing with data quality app. So basically, we have talked about data and how it should look in CRM, and also the bad data and how to prevent it. Now let's see what we can do with data quality app, and to go through some slides, and then we'll go through CRM itself. So I'll start with duplicate detection, and imagine a marketing campaign, and you have a specific group of people you want to target. First, with duplicate detection, you want to check if there's already a duplicate in the system, so you don't send to the same person the same email, for example. Or in another case, if there was already a campaign and you want to save attendees as a leads, so you have created rules to prevent duplicate creation, so you can merge or update data if you already have a lead in CRM. And now imagine that you have some big campaigns and a lot of people working on, so you are going to need good duplicate detection rules to prevent duplicate creation. Then we have data quality rules. Basically, if we take care of the duplicates in the system, now we're left only with to take care data quality. And what you need to consider is that you have to start from the basic. So full name, address, city, mobile phone, all of that is considered very important, but often it's neglected and not have any rule implemented on it. So why is that? Because, well, we think everyone will type in all of that information, etc. But the reality is that people will mix formats. They will not populate their information correctly. And for example, if you have a campaign that's where people type in their information, so you just get those informations back, and then employee comes and wrongly added data in the system. So it happens a lot. But imagine having the rule that automatically detects wrong phone or date format, length of some fields, etc. And even if there is an error, your employee will know, well, it needs to be fixed ASAP, so you can freely continue to phase 2 of your campaign. And you have to understand, it's not enough just to put this red dot next to the field and make it mandatory. So basically, how many times does that field contain only one character, just to make sure that it's populated and can be saved. But if you use data quality rules, that can't be the case, because unless the rule match criteria, it will show okay sign. And as we see in these screenshots, one of the most important rules are valid email. Basically, we have managed to create this with our option, data quality rule option called flow. And it is for validation of email. So you through Power Automate connect with another system. And for every single email that comes into your CRM, it's getting checked. So your sales team know that they can contact that person if there's on a dashboard, okay, sign next to email. Next, we have basically dashboards. So if we have all data sorted, clean as we wanted, email validated, so now we can create some dashboards. Basically, the point is that you can put all the data on your dashboard, actually all your data quality rules. In this case, here on this screenshot is valid email. So I'm able to check which emails are okay, which emails are warning, which emails are blank in this case. So I'm going to show you how this looks in a minute. And we come to here. So I have shown you how to fix your data campaigns. Now let's just quickly go through all of the solutions for better marketing improving. Data cleaning and standardization basically includes correcting misspelling, which you can do with phonetic fields. So basically, you can find duplicates even if there is a misspelling in your words because of the algorithm called Metaphone 3 that is responsible for that. Then we have duplicate management. Basically, talked about that. You create duplicate text rules. Email verification validation, of course, the most important thing, because a lot of campaigns are happening through email. Data completeness. Basically, you have to create rules to have all fields populated as you want by your criteria. Then you have consistent customer segmentation. So you can create specific rules for different type of customers and in your CRM. And with those informations, you can update basically records strategically. Real-time data quality monitoring, basically everything that happens with data quality app happens in real time. So dashboards, yellow warning window for duplicate, etc. Training and onboarding, basically you should train your team to know how to use all basically all features of data quality app. And lead scoring precision, basically you should create your own logic for scoring your records, and based on that you can do campaigns. So I'm going to show you that an example in real short time. Then we come to duplicate management strategies. We'll just go through quickly some of these. So for example, automated duplicate detection and real-time duplicate prevention. Basically, you're creating rules that will prevent duplicates from creating and also enable the real-time warning. Then you have merge and consolidation rules and manual review and confirmation. So basically, you should merge your data, do it manually or in bulk. And using this app, you will not have to worry about how many records you can merge in bulk or how many records you can merge manually if you want. If you have some specific data you want to go manually. And we have phonetic fields detection. I mentioned this. Basically, this is for checking for duplicates based on pronunciation. And if there's any misspelling, it will be flagged as a duplicate. So it's using Metaphone 3 algorithm. And basically, it's really easy to set up. It uses English, Spanish, or German language. So regarding this duplicate management strategies and data quality rules strategies, if you have any specific requests, you can always contact us and we will gladly help you to set up rules and test it together. Then we have key data quality rules. Basically, email address validation. Of course, again, very easy to configure, but extremely powerful. Then we have validating geographic data, basically to make sure that the addresses are valid and popular, not just addresses, but the city, etc. So in case of emergency, you can react in time. Then you have event registration matching. So basically implement all rules to help better tracking of attendees for any event. Then real-time monitoring dashboards, of course, as I mentioned, everything works in real time and all the rules for the same entity are going to be on one dashboard. Customer feedback classification. Basically, you can create rules to follow up the feedback so you can get personalized data for your customers. So you can set up flow and to check for specific, in this case, for specific words in your feedback from your customers. And based on that, you can update some custom fields on those records. And then you can monitor those fields through data quality rules and update the dashboard based on that. Maybe warning, maybe a case sign, or even error. So what I want to do now is I want to show you how it looks inside CRM. So I'm gonna stop my presentation right here, and we'll go through CRM. So let's say we have a campaign, we had a campaign, so I want to type in some information. So I'm just gonna type here. So I'm gonna populate this lead. I'll type data quality app. So let's see. I add it like this. And then I will add my email. So let's see, I'm gonna copy this and let's try to save it. So there is a business process error. Actually, this is a data quality app rule, correct form format. So I need to add phone number. And if I try to save it now, there we go. We have managed to save. So this is a new lead that we have added from a campaign. Now I'm gonna just quickly refresh this dashboard. So as you can see, a valid email is warning. Basically, why? Because this doesn't exist actually. So and also address is wrong, activity and correct for phone format. So let's now try to add another one. Let's just do the same. Sorry. And now let's just add an email. I'll add here. That and phone number. As you can see, I already got a duplicate. If I click on that, this one is the same I have created a minute ago. So from here, I can merge, I can update this record, or I can delete one. So it's up to you. So how all that works in the background. So basically, this is where your admins will set up your data quality rules and duplicate detection rules. In this case, duplicate detection. So we have lead duplicate from an email. This one is that we have just seen that was active. So for all of these configurations, you can contact us, contact me personally, so we can show you everything. And also there's already a YouTube webinar how to set up duplicate detection rule. So, and what you can do here again is you can do bulk detection. You can click on here, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'll just go and open one of the results that I have just ran. And this is the list that I got. So basically I can open the record and I can update it manually. So basically I'm not limited by the number of records I can update manually. To set up this, it's simple, and we have already talked about that. And also, if I want to update the whole list, I can just click on merge duplicates. And then I can set up this. I can even set up fetch XML to additionally filter through data. And that's it, you're good to go. You're clean of the duplicates. Now I want to show you data quality rule and how all that looks in the system. So in this case, we have this account and there are some rules on it. So as we can see, there are some okay, there are some warning. And what you can do with is you can create some basically basic rules, as we have just seen, like minimum length 5 that the account name has to be, or you can connect these rules to another system like Business Central. In this case, we are following this account on Business Central and we're following its product. So stock is under 10, which in this case we have more than 10 of products in Business Central. So what I want to say, if you have some campaigns going on with another system, basically you can create a rule that will connect with that system, and based on some configurations over there as you want, you can update the dashboard here. So maybe by response. So if you have a response over the campaign, so you can update the same record here in your CRM. So you know, okay, I got response over there, I can get the data, etc. So you can do that. We allow that. We allow all that through our option called flow. Basically, we'll type flow. So with this, you can create basically Power Automate flow, and you have almost unlimited possibilities what you can do. And also, as you can see, we are following company info, and with that option you're following the email validation, etc. And after you do all of that, you want to check your dashboards, of course. Now let's just wait for this to load. As I have mentioned, this is valid email, and as you can see, it is represented as a pie chart. You can do whatever you want. In this case, all these lines. So if I open this, what I can do here is I can click on this specific warning, and I get the list of all warning emails. So I can do it from here. I can update, I can send a report that these needs to be fixed, etc. And also, you have this chart here. And with this one, if I click, for example, on this month, I will get the list of these accounts that are coming in a March. And this is if your data score is more than 2. So we talked about earlier that you can create your own logic for the dashboard. So let's just go and see that how that looks like. So I will open the opportunity for that account. And there is a data score. I have it on opportunity. So basically, you can create your own logic for scoring this. So you can place if these three rules are okay, signed, and give me 3 stars on data score. And based on that data score, you can do campaigns. So if you have 5 stars at the end of the month, basically then you can do a big campaign. Then if you have 3 and 4 stars, you can create logic that you get if there's only an email, so you can do an email campaign. If there's only 1 or 2 stars, maybe there's only just a phone number, so you give them a call, etc. So you can do that also as well. In this case, these accounts are followed by month, and they all have data score more than 2. So in this case, I can go to March. I get all the list, and maybe there was something specific for the March going on, so I can do a specific campaign based on those informations. So basically, that's it regarding data quality app. And there are almost unlimited possibilities what you can do and what this can help. This is just a short webinar, so I don't have much time to go through all examples, but I hope this clarifies some things what you can do. So we'll go back now to the presentation. And benefits of using data quality app. So when we talk about benefits, we have improved data accuracy. Basically, your data will be clean, accurate, and on point. Enhanced decision making and increased operation efficiency. Basically, if you have a good, clean data, then all your decisions will be as they should. So they will improve, and also everything will be improved. Then we have prevention of duplicate. Basically, we talked about that. You don't want duplicates inside your system. Higher productivity. If you have all of this, of course, you're going to get high productivity from your team, because if you have reliable data, then you know when someone is giving a call, sending an email, that it is going to get to the person that it was attended to. Then we have effective customer relationship management. So of course, if you have a clean and good data, and you're sending campaigns, you're doing campaigns, getting some feedback, things are happening. And of course, everything is about customer relationship to be good, to be on point. So basically, if you configure all of that as it should be, that you're definitely going to have effective CRM. Then we have increased customer satisfaction. Of course, the main point of everything is customer satisfaction. And of course, cost reduction. Everything comes to cost. So if you have duplicates, they cost you time for fixing that. They cost you money. They cost you management. They cost you productivity, everything. So if you have a good quality rules, that will help prevent that. That will help you merge that. Of course, you're gonna have reduction in cost as well. And real-time monitoring and alerts. Of course, everything happens in real time inside your CRM. And user empowerment, basically, as I have mentioned, high productivity and user empowerment. So if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. I'll just move. So raise a hand. And we have call to action. Of course, you can find us on the App Source and Azure Marketplace. Our website is nativecodeapp.com. So once you download and install, you can contact us on support or me personally. We will gladly help you with all the installations and tool creation as well. So thank you so much for taking this webinar. My name is Yasmin, and this was about marketing with Data Quality App. So as I mentioned, there is my email, support email, phone number, contact us freely. We offer 1 month free trial for everyone, so you can test it. We don't want to push sales on you, so you have test it, make sure that it works for you in your system. So basically, then, and of course, we will help you through all that process as well. So thank you so much for taking this webinar. I hope I will see you again in the next